Building a strong foundation in numeracy skills is crucial for young children. It lays the groundwork for their future math learning and problem-solving abilities. According to the National Curriculum Framework for the Foundational Stage, children need to develop pre-number and number concepts, as well as skills in comparing, seriation, classification, and recognizing patterns during their preschool years. Let's start with pre-number concepts. Children learn to count and understand the number system. They begin to recognize numbers and their corresponding quantities, helping them build a solid numerical foundation. Shapes and spatial understanding play a vital role in mastering mathematical techniques. They help children learn conventions needed for the use of a base 10 system to represent numbers. Understanding shapes and spatial relationships help children develop visual thinking skills that are essential for math. Numbers and operations on numbers are essential for performing simple computations. Children learn to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in their own way, gradually progressing to 3-digit numbers. They apply these skills to their daily life activities, making math meaningful and relevant. Measurement is another important component of early mathematics. Children learn to understand and use standard algorithms for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on numbers up to 3 digits. These skills help them make sense of measurements and apply them in real-world situations. Data handling is a vital skill for young learners. Children learn to identify and extend simple patterns, starting from repeating shapes to patterns in numbers. They also learn to interpret simple data and information in their daily life activities. To develop these foundational numeracy skills, we have a wonderful resource, Hop, Skip and Jump. The Hop, Skip and Jump numeracy skill sheets provides interesting and age-appropriate tasks to make learning numeracy engaging and efficient. The numeracy skill sheets covers a wide range of pre-math skills. Children explore concepts such as measurement, position, quantity, weight, and shapes. They form patterns using shapes and develop an understanding of concepts like equal to, greater than, less than, and ordinal numbers. Children also practice counting numbers from 1 to 100, developing number sense and the ability to count in 2s and 5s. They learn to add and subtract single-digit numbers using picture clues, recognize currency, group numbers as tens and ones, and tell time using a clock. Hop, Skip and Jump helps children visualize shapes by associating them with real-life objects, strengthening their memory. Children can extend these activities by identifying shapes in their surroundings, like a wall clock, lunchbox, or ball. This enhances their understanding of shapes and their practical applications. The numeracy skill sheets also includes worksheets for assessments. These help teachers evaluate children's progress and understanding of mathematical vocabulary and concepts. The worksheets focus on mathematical vocabulary, understanding concepts like part to whole, and developing sorting and classifying skills. Numbers 1 to 20 are introduced through counting rhymes, chants, and songs. Children are encouraged to identify objects as they listen to the rhymes. They trace and write the numbers, color the corresponding objects, and engage in interactive activities to reinforce their understanding. Children can also complete worksheets independently, joining dots to complete pictures, and practicing activities that introduce shapes like circles and semicircles. These activities lay the foundation for skip counting, ascending and descending order, and other numerical skills. Vocabulary worksheets help children develop relevant mathematical vocabulary. They learn to describe sizes, lengths, fullness and emptiness, as well as relationships like near, far, above, middle, below. These worksheets enrich their mathematical language and improve their communication skills. Building foundational numeracy skills in children is an important step towards their mathematical success. With the Hop, Skip and Jump numeracy skill sheets, children can engage in enjoyable activities and develop essential skills that will benefit them throughout their academic journey.
Hurry and book your slot for a detailed demonstration of Hop, Skip and Jump from Macmillan Education. Drop a mail at macmillaneducation@macmillaneducation.com or contact the nearest Macmillan office. Thank you.